You have an affiliate product and you want to sell it on Facebook Live. Well, let me tell you how I sell products on my Facebook page on a live using an affiliate link the best way with the most success. So here we go. Let's get started. Hi, my name is Nicole Riley and I teach bloggers how to become confident marketers and grow their business. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell to get a notification the next time I publish a new video or go live. The first thing I love saying, and I'm sure you get annoyed of that, but it is so important. It is an engaged audience. If you don't have an engaged audience, they will not come to you. They will not listen to you. They will not listen to your lives. So be patient and truly engage with your audience so they engage with your products, with your posts, and are there for you. They will hop onto your live and listen to you talk about anything you want to talk about. So with an engaged audience, you will have them more compelled to come to your Facebook Live. Make sure you check out my other videos about Facebook Lives and how I talk to my audience and how I really get their engagement and how I keep their engagement throughout, even before or after the live is over. So go check out those videos on my YouTube channel. Once you go live, the very first thing is a hook. Get them in. What are you talking about? And get something emotional in there. Why should they listen to you? And remember that most people listen to the replay. They're not all there live with you while you're talking live. Most people watch the replay. So talk with them as they are there all the time, no matter what time, whether it's the live or the replay. Talk with them in a very sweet, kind manner, how you would if you're talking to your best friend. But get them in with a hook. Something that says, oh my goodness, I got to listen to all this. I really need to know all this information. Then once you talked about your hook, you go right into an emotional story. It should be related to the hook. It should guide you into the product you want to sell. But while you talk about the hook and the emotional story, you hopefully don't mention the product yet. That's the best thing you can do. You guide them into it without even mentioning it yet. So for example, you can say, hey, did you know I have a brother? And a few years ago, this happened to my brother. Oh my goodness, it was devastating. Have something emotional right there, right? And you really truly talk about what happened. And then your brother reached out to you and said, hey, can I have this product because I heard it helps you and I truly need to use it because, oh my gosh, I think I want the same results as you. And now that I had XYZ happen to me, I gotta have this. And then at the end of the emotional story where you start talking about the product, you want to guide them right into the proof. What did that specific person say right away after having taken the product, after using the product, XYZ, whatever it is that you can show off? Best thing to do is screenshots of their message, their comment, something that shows, oh my goodness, look at this. And if you have a transformation in there, oh, that's even better. Let's say you have a blog about losing weight or health or something, although be careful about this. But if you have something related to that where it goes from, being unhealthy, not very happy to healthy and very happy, show that transformation. Can you see it in their facial expression, Or for me, I'm a crochet designer and the person before didn't have any clue on how to do crochet and suddenly they crochet all the time. Can you see the transformation? Can you see how happier they are? Show the transformation with proof. That is the best way how to sell a product without even selling the product. You literally went from hook to emotional story and then right into the proof, the review of that product without even talking about your own review of that. It's literally the review from someone else, right? And then from there, you then can guide them into saying, oh, by the way, I have the link in the description if you're interested for XYZ product as well. That is just an idea. That's an example on how to sell something from a hook, emotional story to the proof, and then right into the call to action. That entire thing, by the way, if you've done a good job on that, you could do that as a story. 60 seconds, 4 stories on Instagram, 1 TikTok, 1 short video for Facebook. You can do that really short too, but you can also do it a little bit longer on a Facebook Live. There's many different ways to do that, right? Facebook Live is really good because you can answer your audience's questions immediately right there. And you can even talk about more proof. You can have multiple people jump in about their reviews. You can show them off if you have a third-party app that you're using for your Facebook Live, like I do with Ecamm. There's a link down below in the description in case you're curious and want to test it out for free. Then I show off my comments that I get throughout the Facebook Live. I literally grab my audience's comments and show them off. I click on a button and show them off, which really shows the proof again about that specific product. I love doing that when it comes to my membership or when I have products I'm selling from other companies like crochet hooks or yarn or something like that. It really helps if you can show off the comments immediately. And the people who watch the replay see it there as well. After you had your call to action and you have answered your audience's questions and you showed some of their comments off, hopefully you can, go into a quick summary of what you talked about. Come back to the emotional story and make sure you have a little quick summary on how amazing their transformation is. And you just simply wanted to share that with your audience. That is literally how I sell a product. Whether it's one product or multiple products related to each other, I go live and I go from a hook to emotional story to proof, and then the call to action with questions like a Q&A at the end with a summary. That is literally my way of selling a product very successfully every single time on Facebook Live. And I do these weekly, not always selling, but I do have the same kind of theme throughout every single time I go live. And the best way is to have some kind of outline your audience is used to so they feel comfortable, but the subject itself changes every time. So therefore they're paying attention, but they feel calm. You know, similar to a Hallmark movie, you know exactly what kind of things are happening. You know, you always have some kind of person that's negative. You always have someone who comes back together. They know each other from a long time, etc., etc. You always have some kind of peak where they're loving each other, and then something happens. There's something negative, and in the end, there's a happy ending, right? You know, it always has a happy ending. The same idea throughout every Hallmark movie makes us calm when we watch them. I love Hallmark, have you noticed? But the movies itself are always different. Different actors, different actresses, a different, location. Everything is different, but the outline itself is the same, which calms us down and makes us happy. So really make sure that you have some kind of good outline for your Facebook Lives, and so you can guide them through no matter the product or subject you're talking about. Have a guideline and always stick to that one. I truly hope that these tips helped you on how to sell on Facebook Live to your audience with an engaged audience. Of course, leave me a comment down below if you have any further questions or if you need a follow-up video with a little bit more detail. Give it a thumbs up if you feel like this video helped you, and share it with your blogging friends. I'm sure they want to know also how they sell their affiliate products on Facebook Live. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell so you get a notification next time I publish a new video or go live and tell you all about affiliate marketing, blogging, social media scheduling, and so much more. Here is a place where you become a confident blogger and allow you to learn marketing tips and grow your business. I'll see you next time. Bye.